Good morning, appreciated professors and friends. This is Jorge Torres from Peru. First and foremost, I would like to thank very much the Winston University and the Dr. David Morondilla Fundator. In this opportunity, we talk about the personal branding high impact thread. In this sense, we talk uh, what should be understood by personal branding. The personal branding is the process of creating our brand. It's about being aware of the footprint we leave and taking the necessary steps to make it the one we want to live. In other words, it is the management of all those elements that contribute to the construction of our brand. Creating a brand image helps you in different aspects. In this sense, we talk, you will be better now in your professional sector. You will have professional recognition in your sector and in other sectors. It will help you to get more clients or to change jobs. It will allow you to transmit your knowledge to other people. It will give you global visibility. Your information will be shared throughout cyberspace. As we will see, although personal branding is very present in the professional field, it involves aspects that you beyond training and knowledge. How can you differentiate yourself from a personal who has the same styles as you? And what are these key elements personal branding? One, what we say, we must be aware that our speech has both online and offline presence. Our personal brand is reflected in everything we publish in each of the networks, whether in text, video, or audio. Within what we express in any environment, we also include the imaging we project, our psyche, the way we dress, the design, or website, the choice of profile pictures. Two, what we do. Actions come to define as much more than words. We give more weight to that a personal does and do not so much to each words. We must be consistent when we say we are one way. This will make its act according. A person can say that it's very responsible, but if he never fulfills its commitments, what do we end up with? Obviously, obviously, the later. Three, our attitude. Our attitude determines what we say and do. It's not the same to speak when we are sad or sad as when we are happy, for example. How we say things and how we do we, it's a determining factor in our personal brand. Uh, for other situation, we talk the delve into these 3 points. We propose a series of questions that we help you to establish it guidelines later on. For example, who I am, what do I want to do, what goals do I want to achieve. Once you have the answers to these questions, you have to define what can I offer to others, what value can I bring, what need will I feel, What are my personal values? Who is my customer professional contact profile? How do I communicate? What name should your brand have? Uh, all these questions are part of self knowledge. It's not about creating a false image of yourself, but about taking advantage of everything you have that make you unique. To do this, you must first achieve personal satisfaction by knowing your virtues in order to exploit them, and also your defects in order to change them. Due to social networks, it's easy to fall into the temptation to waiting to show an improved image of ourselves, perhaps even give free rein to our alter ego. But we can't base our personal branding on deception. That's not what it's all about. If you think you are not yet ready to focus your personal brand, don't be hurry. Investment time in discovery who you and what do you can bring to the table, and the bet on personal brand, and be able to maintain that project for fire for life. We are sure you that it's worth it. Um, as final words, we have that returning to the subject proposal for the issue, we maintain that in order to build a personal brand is a triad to high impact. Everything related to personal brand must be considered in light of three pillars, which area are academic aspect, professional aspect, and labor aspect. With when we manage to obtain a personal brand has a high impact rate, we will find ourselves in a very advantage and as auspicious situations, not only achieve all our purpose, but we will do it in a very early, prominent, protagonist way. Uh, we can all have a high impact personal or brand. Let's start now. Very honored and grateful to the opportunity and attention given.